You are welcome to solve this nice exponential equation, which is 5 to the power x times 5 to the power x. This is equal to 50. So what is the value of x? Now, solution from here, we have that 5 to the power x times 5 to the power x. This is in the form of a to the power n times a to the power m, which we can express as a to the power n plus m. Applying this exponent property, then this can be expressed as 5 to the power x plus x. This is equal to 50. The next step here, this is 5 to the power x plus x. This is 2x. And this is equal to 50. To solve for the value of x here, let's introduce the natural logarithm on both sides so that you'll have log 5 to the power 2x. This is equal to log 50. The next step from here, you find that log 5 to the power 2x, this is in the form of log 5 to the power 2x, this is in the form of log a to the power n, which we can express as n log a. Now, applying this power rule property of logarithm, then log 5 to the power 2x, this becomes 2x log 5. This is equal to log 50. Now, from here, we divide both sides by log 5 by log 5. So here we'll have 2x. This is equal to log 50 divided by log 5. We can express 50 as 5 multiplied by 10. So that the next step here, we'll have 2x. This is equal to log 5 multiplied by 10 divided by log 5. Now, from here, log 5 times 10, this is in the form of log a multiplied by b, which we can express as log a plus log b. Applying this logarithm property, log 5 times 10 can be expressed as, this is log 5 divided by log 5 plus log 10 divided by log 5. So the next step from here is to simplify. Let's simplify here. So that now here we have 2x. This is equal to, this is 1 plus, now here we have log 10 divided by log 5. So let's proceed from here. Now we have 2x. This is equal to 1 plus log 10 divided by log 5. The next step here, we have 2x is equal to 1 plus, we can express 10 as 5 multiplied by 2. So you will have log 5 multiplied by 2 divided by log 5. Now, log 5 times 2, this is in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. Let's apply this property so that here we'll have 2x. This is equal to 1 plus. Now here we'll have log 5 divided by log 5 plus. Here we have log 2 divided by log 5. Again here, the next step is to simplify here. Let's simplify log 5 and log 5. So this is 1. So that here we'll have 2x. This is equal to 1 plus 1. This is 2 plus log 2 divided by log 5. The next step here, we find that log 2 divided by log 5, this is in the form of log a divided by log b, which we can express as log a to base b. Applying this logarithm property, then we'll have here 2x, this is equal to 2 plus log 2 to base 5. So let's divide both sides by 2, so that now we'll have the value of x equal to, now here we'll have 1 plus half log 2 to base 5. So this is the value of x. Let's verify that this value of x actually satisfies the equation. So let's verify here. Now, if you recall here, we end that 5 to power x multiplied by 5 to power x. This is equal to 50. And given that 5 to power x times 5 to power x, this again is in the form of 8 to power n times 8 to power m, which we can express as 8 to power n plus m. So this is actually 5 to power x plus x, which is 2x. This should give us a value of 50. Let's substitute the value of x here, so that we will have 5 to power 2 multiplied by the value of x, which is 1 plus half log 2 to base 5. This should give us a value of 50. So let's proceed from here. Now here we'll have, this is actually 5 raised to power 2 times 1, this is 2, plus, let's simplify 2 and 2 here. So this is log 2 to base 5. This should give us a value of 50. Now 5 to power 2 plus log 2 to base 5, this is in the form of a to power n plus m, which you can express as a to power n multiplied by a to power m. Applying this exponent property, then we'll have here 5 to power 2 times 5 to power log 2 to base 5. This should give us a value of 50. Now, the next step here, 5 to power 2, this is the same thing as 25. So here we'll have 25 multiplied by 5 to power log 2 to base 5. This is in the form of m to power log a to base m, which is supposed to give us a value of a. That essentially means that 5 to power log 2 to base 5, this is supposed to give us a value of 2. So let's substitute these two. So here we'll have 25 times 2. This should give us a value of 50. So 25 times 2, this is actually equal to 50. And that shows that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So that affirms that the value of x, which is 1 plus a half log 2 to base 5, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe. Now see you in the next video. Bye bye.